Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Now we are going to apply the limit theorems for this given polynomial function. Considering the given expression here, we have here the limit of the polynomial function x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4, and we are going to solve the limit for that as x approaches to -1. Now we already have our limit theorems for this, but I'm going to present you two different methods here. The first one is without using the limit theorem for a polynomial function, and the second one will be direct substitution according to the limit theorem of the polynomial function. I'm going to show you these two steps so that you can have your options in solving. So let's start with this idea. The limit of x cubed as x approaches -1 minus the limit of 2x squared as x approaches to -1 plus the limit of 3x as x approaches to -1 minus the limit of 4 as x approaches -1. So we can have this method here. Of course, we have the limit of the power here. So this is the limit of x as x approaches to -1, but you cube that. That's its purpose. Okay, this is the using the power. The second one is the product and the power. The limit of 2 as x approaches -1 times the limit of x as x approaches -1, but it's being squared. Plus, we have here the limit of 3 as x approaches -1 times the limit of x as x approaches -1. And of course, the limit of the constant 4 as x approaches -1. So we have here now that we have all of this, we simply substitute here. You have -1. The limit of the identity is the constant here, the c cubed. The limit of the constant is the constant itself times the limit of the identity is this value, but we have your square. Plus, the limit of the constant 3 is 3. The limit of the identity is -1, this value here. And the limit of the constant is just 4. So we have here -1 minus 2 times +1 minus 3 minus 4. So you have -1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. This results to -10. Okay, so this is the result for our polynomial function if we're going to deal with all of these limit theorems. But of course, we already established a limit theorem for polynomial function. The limit of x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 as x approaches -1, simply substitute. Okay, so you'll have -1 cubed minus 2 times -1 squared plus 3 times -1 minus 4, which is similar to this. In short, you have here -1 minus 2 times +1 minus 3 minus 4, -1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. You have the result of -10 here as well. So you have these two options. It's up to you which to use, but of course this is even shorter than this. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.